Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm tutorials we are going to create algorithm. We will calculate our age when we input our date of birth. So let's go and first write console write, and then we'll say enter the date of birth, and after this one we'll say var date of birth. This is our field, and we have to convert our console read line into the date time. And then we say console read line. Now the moment we get our date of birth, then we have to reach from date of birth as a year, and our current date as a year will make a sub, so we'll get our age. So I will say var, another one, I say age, and then I will say date time now year. This date time now year, it will give me 2022, and I will say minus my date of birth and year. I'll make sub of current year and minus my date of year, so it will give us our age. And I will say console write line, and we'll say you are, let's say for example 35, and we write our age. You're 8 years old. That's much simple. Let's try it. Let's run the application. I will say 0610. I will just write my date of birth, 87, and as you see that you are 35 years old. That much simple. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and please, if you like my channel, subscribe.